So sweetie, tell me which of this food is your favorite or which one will you be trying? So please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe and thumbs up and get notified anytime I post a new video. So we'll continue with the part 2 of the story. Remember the previous video I told you that the story was too long, so here is the part 2. So okay, listen, okay?
I started listening to Papa Oyedepo all the time, every Sunday spring. So I decided to come to Nigeria without telling anybody to attend Shiloh that particular year. So December came, I went straight to Shiloh ground. I didn't know what I wanted. I didn't know what I was praying against. I just knew that I was troubled. So on the second day of Shiloh, I wanted to go and buy food. And one man stopped me and he called me aside. He said, please, can I talk to you? I thought he wanted to beg me for money and all of that. And then he took me to one side. Before he said anything, he started praying. He held my hand and he was praying. He was speaking in tongues. I feel it that this man was, there's this sensation that comes with praying. After he prayed for me, he asked me, do you live abroad? I said, yes. He said, anyway, that he has a revelation for me. He needs to pray about it and be sure that tomorrow I should call him, we'll meet, and then he will tell me everything that he saw. Winners, they don't do revelation and all of that. He was a pastor in another ministry that also came to Shiloh, for prayers and to tap from the grace of the altar. So the next day, he told me that I have an enemy in my family, that they give me something that has been with me for years. He said that thing was used in exchange for my destiny. The same way my parents' destiny was exchanged. I was surprised. He said my parents died mysteriously. Their destiny was used and my destiny is being used. If I don't take matters into my own hands, I will die mysteriously. I was scared. Who is the enemy within? What is that thing that they gave? So after Shiloh, I went back to Italy straight. I wanted to go and visit my people. I said no. I went back to Italy. So after I got back, I tried calling this pastor. And I asked him, sir, I don't know who this enemy is. I've been praying. He told me to search myself. That anything that anybody has given to me, I should make sure I destroy it. That location I am, I should leave that place. And then everything started coming together. My mom's best friend told me to leave Italy and go to another country. This pastor is telling me the same thing. So I decided to just take it, just to travel, not to even relocate, just to travel to the UK. So when I was trying to pack my things for my travel, I just started to rearrange my house. And I saw the bead that my mom gave to me when I was traveling, because she told me after prayer I should keep it somewhere safe. I started thinking, is this what everybody is talking about? So I called that pastor. I called him over 20 times. I made sure he picked. Immediately he picked the call. I told him, said, this is the bead that my mom gave to me. I explained everything she told me. He told me that I should go and get a plate. I should put the bead inside and burn it. That I should stay on the call. So he was praying and speaking in tongues. So I just put fire on the bead and I burnt it. Immediately I burnt it. We were still talking with this pastor. My mom was calling me. And I told him, I said, my mom was calling me. He said I should not pick her call. I should not pick her call. That I should leave that place where I didn't pick that call. After burning the bead, I packed my bags. My flight was for the next day. I couldn't sleep throughout that night. Immediately I got to London, the hotel. I called the pastor and I told him this is where I was. He told me that if anybody should call, he told me I'm free to pick my call. So I called my mom. She was shouting, where have you been? I've been trying to call you. Where are you? She said I'm lying. That she's seen me. I'm not in Italy. Whatever I know, I should go back. Do you want to kill me? Go back to where you are. Go back. She was just shouting. I just ended the call. It didn't take 24 hours after that call. My mom died. It was when my mom died. My mom's best friend called and asked me a simple question. She said, my daughter, you don't come up for it? I say yes. I say I just travel. She say, you see that country where you travel, go where make that your mama die, so remain there. She told me not to cry. I should not waste one single tears crying for that woman. I should not ever in my life say I'm coming to Nigeria to come and bury her, that I should not try. I say, God, what kind of problem is this? I needed to know how my mom's best friend knew about it. So I called her back after 2 days. Then she told me that they also saw a revelation for her concerning my mom, because it was my mom that gave her poison to match in her leg that has been paining her for years. The reason why I'm here is because my sisters and my brothers want me back as one of their family. It's been almost 10 years this thing happened now, and I've stayed away from them for 10 years. I have not visited them. I don't even call them. It was after my mom died that I got married. I don't have children now, to the glory of God. I don't want to believe that they didn't know what their mom was doing, and I don't want to open myself back to them. I don't want to make another mistake. I can forgive them and not go close to them. My husband is saying I should forgive them. I should even visit them in Nigeria and come and see them. Please, I don't want to do that. I continue staying in my lane or bring them back to my life. Honestly, I'm scared.
So what do you think about the story? Please write in the comments below. I'll be expecting or seeing your message. I hope you love all the recipe you've seen. Which one will you be trying? I love you all and see you all on my next one. Bye bye.